So you would suggest to increase the quality of sperms as a male. If they're drinking alcohol, they have to cut down alcohol consumption, smoking,
Yes.
proper sleep.
Yep.
And what about food? Does consuming a specific food or supplements have dramatic increase or decrease in sperm output?
To my knowledge, yes. Start shifting to healthier food. Like if
Okay.
you're too much into junk food, try shifting to homemade food or balanced diet. And also you can try taking fruits or food that is rich in antioxidants. It could try to reverse that reactive oxygen species that causes the DNA fragmentation. Lot
What
of
is DNA
spermat.
fragmentation?
For example, if you talk in the scenario of a spermatozoa, you
What is
have
spermatozoa?
okay. So, spermatozoa is mainly the male gamete that is responsible for fertilizing an egg. That's the smallest cell.
Which evolves into sperm.
Yes.
You can call it immature sperm.
You have spermatogonial cells, those are the immature sperm. So, it goes through a process called spermatogenesis, where a sperm is produced and it matures. It goes to the epididymis where it gets matured and it is ejaculated out. So, this sperm, it's the smallest cell in our body. It's an interesting fact because the oocyte is considered
biggest.
to be the biggest cell in the body, and the union is between the smallest cell in human and the biggest cell.
Wow.
Every cell, as you know, contains DNA in it. So sometimes what happens is when there's too much stress, something called reactive oxygen species in the body, these DNAs, they break. Now DNAs are supposed to be intact for the genetic information to be intact to be able to fertilize an egg. But sometimes due to all the factors that we mentioned, there is fragmentation in the DNA. So such sperm are not able to fertilize the egg, and even if they do fertilize, do not form a quality embryo. So it's important that we try to reduce this. We have certain tests that we do in our labs called the DNA fragmentation tests.
Okay.
Through which you can make out what percentage of the sperm cells have fragmented DNA. Benchmark is around 25 to 30%.
Of
You shouldn't have more than 25 to 30%
Of fragmented
of
cells.
fragmented cells.